over the factor rainbow. To follow along with this video, you may use a piece of paper as well as crayons, colored pencils, or markers. In this video, I want you to see how to make a factor rainbow. Then after this video, you can create your own. Here is a nice beautiful day in the park. Hey, it has a rainbow too. Let's make a rainbow to 40 by finding factors. What are the factors of 40 that you know? 1 is a factor. So is 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, and 40. These are the factors of 40. These numbers can make a rainbow to 40. Begin by connecting these numbers. 1 will connect to 40. I'll use red for that one, since that's the first color in a rainbow. 1 times 40 equals 40. Also, 40 times 1 equals 40. That's the commutative property of multiplication. Next, 2 will join with 20 by using orange. Because 2 times 20 equals 40, and 20 times 2 equals 40. Again, those factors can switch. For yellow, 4 and 10 will be connected. 4 times 10 equals 40, and 10 times 4 equals 40. Finally, connect 5 and 8 with green. Because 5 times 8 equals 40, 8 times 5 equals 40 as well. What about indigo and violet? Oh, there they are. Be careful. The number that you choose to make a rainbow of after this video may have less factors than 40, so you may not use all the colors. What a beautiful day. Now, how can you be sure you have found all the ways to show or model a product? Let's take a look. To make sure you have found all the factors or all the ways to model a product like 40, start with 1 and model that. Here is one row of 40. 1 times 40 and 40 times 1. Because remember, the factors can be switched. Moving to 2, how about 2 rows of 20? 2 times 20 and 20 times 2. And how about 3? Let's see. Here are 3 rows of 13. Seems like it's right. But this actually shows 39, not 40, so this doesn't work. What about 3 rows of 14? Is that any better? Is that closer to 40? Well, this actually shows a product of 42, so that's not right either. So 3 is not a factor of 40. Now you know you can move on to 4. How about 4 rows of 10? 4 times 10 and 10 times 4. Now how about 5? 5 rows of 8. 5 times 8 and 8 times 5. Again, you can continue on with this one digit at a time to really make sure you have found all the ways to model 40. If you went on to 6, you would find that 6 is not a factor of 40. The same with 7. That's also not a factor of 40. Then you would reach 8, which would be just like the purple array that you see here, except turned on its side. Again, with 9, you would find that is not a factor of 40, which would bring you back to 10, which was already done here in the green array, except turned on its side again. That's one way that you can be sure that you have found every way to model a product by finding its factors.